This is a short introduction how to create a tab file from a song you have created in Sound Generator. Where can you find the Sound Generator? At my emulator homepage, you can find this menu item and you can download it. This is a click once installment, and if you have Windows Defender, there will probably not be any problems. But if you have Norton, you have to disconnect your net cable and Wi-Fi and disable Norton, install it, and enable Norton, and connect net cable and Wi-Fi again. How to create a song. Here we have some manuals. I will not go into details for that. You can read them. It's not that much. We load a file, a song, and if I press the play button, you can see how much data it's used, and it's only data. The code for the Sound Generator is about 8K, and that seems a lot, and it is. It is placed at the top of the RAM, and if it's not in use, you can use a 6K back screen, maybe, if you want to, at the top. And if you're playing the song, it would deflate some of the code and data, and but then you cannot use the back screen. Anyway, for the data of the song, it's just below the Sound Generator. Okay. Now we create a tab file by pressing the tape, and we have to specify what it's called and press OK. And these are the commands you have to use in a real Spectrum or an emulator. For a real Spectrum, I use something called PlayZX, which is an Android app. But in this case, we just use my emulator. So I will import the tape I've created. And you have to insert the tape. Good. Clear. And load. And I have a fast button for loading. User. Good. Then let's hear the song.